The question says a stationery shop has only 3 types of pens and the total number of pens is 357. The number of gel pens is 90 and that of ball pens is 132. How many marker pens are there in the shop? So such type of questions with multiple informations and where we have to carry out multiple operations are very common in Olympiads. At this point of time, I need to tell you that you should be able to draw a mental picture of the question as you read the question. So as you read the question, a stationery shop has only 3 types of pens. So you can understand that the stationery shop has 3 types of pens and the total number of pens, total pens is equal to 357. It is given the number of gel pens is equal to 90. You should be able to denote such given items using some short form or some letters, like I have denoted gel pens by the letter G. So number of gel pens is 90. Number of ball pens, which I will denote by the letter B, is equal to 132, and you need to find out how many marker pens are there in the shop. As you draw this picture, the questions will become clearer to you. These whole jargons of words will become clearer to you. So you need to find out the number of M, which is the number of marker pens. Now I hope the question becomes easier for you. I ask you to pause the video and solve the question now. So I hope many of you may have solved the question. Let me explain it. So here the total number of pens is 357 and the number of gel pens is 90 and number of ball pens is 132. So number of marker pens will be equal to 357 minus the total of gel pens and ball pens, as because the number of gel pens, ball pens and marker pens is equal to 357. We are given gel pens equal to 90 and ball pens equal to 132. We need to find out the value of number of marker pens. So marker pens will be equal to, so first of all let us find out the total of gel pens and the marker pens. So 90 plus 132 is equal to 2, 3 plus 9, 12, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So 222 is the total of gel pens and ball pens. Next we will carry out the difference of the total. This is the total, and then we will subtract 222. This will give you the number of marker pens, which is equal to 7 minus 2 is 5, 5 minus 2 is 3 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So 135 is the number of marker pens. So you see 135 is the number of marker pens. Option B is the answer. So if you go through the option, you can see that there is option 222 also, but this is not the right answer. The answer is 135. There will be options which will be equal to some of the calculations, some of the figures you will encounter while carrying out your calculations. So don't get confused. If the question and the ultimate motive of the question is clearer to you, then you will be easily finding out the right answer. Don't get bogged down by such verbose question. Practice more and more with Decode Monk, and there are other websites also to get a confidence. Thank you. If our videos and website www.decodemonk.com helped you in any way, you may thank me by subscribing to my channel and clicking the like button. Please remember to share the videos so as to help other fellow students like you. For queries, please comment here or through contact page of our website decodemonk.com. And above all, thank you for your patience.